Are you tired of the relentless grind of content creation? The endless hours writing scripts, searching for visuals, and editing videos? What if you could build a machine that does it all for you, silently running in the background, pumping out viral-worthy content day and night? Today, we unlock the true power of automation inside AutoClips. Let's build an automated content empire. Open your browser and navigate to the app.autoclips.app. Look to the left-hand menu. See that tab? The one that says Automations? Click it. This is where the magic happens. The system asks what kind of beast you want to unleash. We want top-tier cinematic quality. Select AutoClips V3 3D Studio. Now, we give our creation a name and a mission. I'm calling mine Daily Tech Feed. For the goal, we don't just want views, we want an army. Click Grow Followers. Under videos per day, demand more. Select 2 videos per day. Set your posting times and choose your battlefield's time zone. For example, Eastern Time. Hit Next. Programming the brain. What will your channel preach? Under category, I'm selecting Technology and Future. For video style, I'm choosing Story. Tell the viewer exactly what to do at the end, as per your need. I'm selecting the Subscribe call to action. Optional but deadly. Add a custom prompt to inject pure drama. Hit Next. Forging the frame. You can choose target duration here, from 1 minute to 10 minutes. Let's select 2 minutes. Then selecting aspect ratio. Choose vertical 9:16. For Instagram Reels and TikTok Reels, it's perfect. Now language. I'm selecting English. Nudge that video speed up to 1.1 times. We want to keep their heart rates up and their thumbs from scrolling. Hit Next. Giving it a voice. A great story needs a compelling storyteller. Ensure the English V3 model is selected. Scroll down and choose Roger. His voice will hook them from the first syllable. Pay attention. This is where the magic happens. We demand absolute visual perfection. Select the Flux 2 Pro engine. Set the image duration 2 seconds, and for that mind-bending quality, hit Cinematic. Don't cut corners here. Enable max quality for the script and premium for the sound effects. But still, images aren't enough to stop the scroll anymore. Click Animated. Select the ultra-smooth Kling 2.6 model and apply it to all scenes. Hit Next. The final polish. Caption styling. Choose progressive so the words punch onto the screen. Caption font. Select the bold and clean Montserrat. Caption position. Set it to lower. Select a vibrant yellow for the highlight color. Music. We need tension. Under categories, scroll and select as per your need. Hit Next. Well, you can also add brands so it will mention your brand in the video. Hit Next. Publishing setting. The machine is built. Now we connect the pipes to the outside world. Toggle on the platforms you want to conquer. Post to TikTok, post to YouTube. You can switch the video privacy here. Post to Instagram, post to Facebook, and post to X. Take a deep breath. You are about to put your content creation on autopilot. Click the green Create Automation button. Wait few minutes while it sets up things. You can quickly check your upcoming video topics here. Click on Go to Automation. Alright, let's test the automation we just set up. As you can see, the app is doing all the heavy lifting in real time, writing the script, generating the voiceover, and rendering the video. Once the status says Video Ready, we just hit View Library to see our results. Here in the library, all our generated videos are neatly organized. Let's check out this one about atomic energy storm. The cinematic quality and text overlays are exactly what we want for high engagement shorts. Now, the real test. Did the automation successfully push this to all our connected social accounts? Let's check it out. First up, YouTube Shorts. Perfect. The video is live, the title is imported correctly, and the format looks incredibly clean. Over to Instagram Reels. There it is. You can see the description and all the relevant hashtags were automatically populated. Checking TikTok now. The video is posted, looking sharp, and ready to hit the For You page. We can't forget Facebook Reels. It's live right here on the page, optimizing our reach without any extra manual uploading. Finally, let's check X for our AutoReel AI account. And if we look just below it, we can see another automated video was also published successfully. Five platforms, 0 manual uploading. That is the power of a fully automated workflow. It's done. The gears are turning. AutoClips will now write the scripts, generate the breathtaking AI visuals, clone the voice, stitch it all together with premium sound design, and publish it directly to your accounts while you sleep. Welcome to the future of content creation.